In this video, we're gonna do a quick Wi-Fi speed test on Samsung Galaxy A37. We're gonna test the download and upload speed. I also performed a similar test on my computer, of course using the same Wi-Fi network. So we're gonna see what is the difference between the speed using the internet on the computer and on Galaxy A37. So as you can see here, the download speed reached 638, almost 640 megabits per second, and the upload speed is 487 megabits per second. I have to say that the download speed is a little bit slower compared to my computer, because on my computer I managed to get 930 megabits per second, whereas over here, as you can see, it's 640, so a little bit of a difference. And in the case of upload, it's actually pretty close, pretty similar to the one that I managed to get on my computer. So here we have 487, of course, and on my computer I managed to get 505 megabits per second. So, of course, a small difference, but not too big to actually, to consider that there's something wrong or anything like that. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.